Hello friends, welcome to Support Karo. In this video, I am going to discuss about ChatGPT and why does it matters. So let's see. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have a human-like conversations and much more with the chatbot. The language models can answer questions, assist with you tasks such as composing emails, essay, and code. Usage is currently open to public free of charge because ChatGPT is its research and feedback collection phase. Now, who made ChatGPT? ChatGPT was created by OpenAI, an AI and research company. The company launched ChatGPT on November 30, 2022. If the name of the company seems familiar, it is because OpenAI is also responsible for creating DALL, 2, a popular AI art generator and whisper, an automatic speech recognition system. How can you access ChatGPT? So you can access ChatGPT by simply visiting chat.openai.com, or you can go to google.com, like google.com, and type OpenAI and search it. You can click on ChatGPT and then you can click on try ChatGPT here, but make sure you need to log in first. Let me check, something is happening. So guys, it seems like OpenAI chatbot is not working right now. So I'll just show you the examples here, how it works. You can see the samples here, like inflowing sample chat GPT asks the clarifying questions to debug the code. So here users is asking like, this code is not working like I expect. How do I fix it? So users pasted the error codes here. Now here ChatGPT answers like, it's difficult to say what's wrong with the code without more context. Can you provide some more information about what the code is supposed to do and what is not working as expected? And also, is this entire code or just a part of it? So user is saying like, just a part of it. The error never surface. I think there is something wrong with the channel. Again, ChatGPT is asking, it's difficult to say without more information about your code is supposed to do and what's happening when it is executed. One potential issue with the code you provide is the result worker error. Channel is never closed, which means that the code could potentially hang if result worker channel is never written to. This could happen if b.result workers never returns an error or it is cancelled before it had chance to return an error. To fix this issue, you could close the result worker error channels after writing to it. For example, you could add flowing lines of code after the line that sends error on the channel. So you can see how ChatGPT is showing fixing the codes. So this way, you can ask any questions in any language, and they will respond you just like human responses, not chatbot. It's response like human. You are talking to human. So this is the way you can interact with Open Chat GPT. In the next video, I'll show you how it works by using try chat GPT. I think as of now it's not working, so I cannot give you like details. So I'll make another video for you. Thanks.